Did you know 58% of hiring managers say Gen Z candidates don't dress appropriately for interviews? It's time to change that narrative. Introducing Polished and Powerful, the ultimate dress for success intensive.
As it pertains to career success, we're going to give you some tips on how you show up as the best and highest version of yourself.
This is not just another workshop. It's your organization's game changer. Our workshop empowers individuals to dress for impact, whether it's a high-stakes meeting or a virtual interview, command attention with confident body language, and elevate poise and presence.
So we want to teach you today some practical principles so that you always put your best look forward.
I want you all to think about comprehensive style. When I think of comprehensive, I think from A to Z, like the whole thing, like the totality of it. So my question to you is, what's your comprehensive style?
Don't let your talent pipeline miss out on the future of workforce excellence. Equip your employees, interns, and job seekers with the tools necessary to shine.
Always maintain the posture of a student. That means as much as I know, I don't know it all. And I'm willing to humble myself, and I'm willing to learn.
We want this to be a safe space. Dr. Alex and I actually want to ask you for your permission to just get real.
Get feedback from people that you know and trust, that have good style sense, to say, hey, you know what? That's your color. That color looks great on you.
Who will tell you the truth? How do you want to show up in these different spaces and places that you occupy?
You might work in an environment where they don't wear suits. So this is a great outfit for that. So when you have a shirt and tie, it doesn't always require for you to wear a suit.
Thank you so much for this time.
Bring Polished and Powerful to your organization today. It's not just about looking the part, it's about owning the part.